if you don't mind. I wanted to share some live income proof for your students, right?
Go ahead.
So if I show some live income, brilliant. So I'm going to share my screen now. And the reason I want to share this is not to brag, but it's just to show your market, your audience, that we are actually doing what we say we are. All right, we're not just, let's go hit over the last 30 days. People are thinking, all right, Abdullah, you say all this stuff, you make all these big claims, but like, are you actually making money? Or a lot of people, they show income proofs and they're from 2-3 months back. I want to show you live here today my last 30 days of income with just this one network. Understand this, we run multiple accounts, we run multiple sites. This is just one.
That's like $370,000 revenue.
No, that's in Indian rupees. Okay, and we're going to convert that to let's convert that to USD for the wider market. That's $5,216 that we generated from just Taboola alone in the past 30 days.
Past 30 days. That's a kind of that that's like a 4-figure income, right?